but with a twist. You must have played this game where the numbers are written in the box. But here the game is played with the shapes. As you can see, the spelling of shape and the different figures of shapes are drawn. Here I have a dice in my hand which has different shapes on each faces. When you will roll the dice, whichever shape will come, you have to jump. By recognizing the shape, you have to jump in that particular box. Remember, when you will go further in the game, the instructor will ask you few questions to increase the difficulty level. When you will surpass all the problems and you will reach to the final step of your game, the 2D figures will get converted into the 3D ones. Now you have to recognize what will be the 2D figure. Circle will be converted to the 3D figure. When you will cross this, you can finally complete the game and you will come to the stop sign and you will win the game.
Very good. Further, what we have done, we have also written the spelling of the particular boxes, in which by doing this we have interrelated the math games with the other subject, that is English, and also the different kinds of objects like we have drawn in the 3D shapes which relate these games with the other subject as EVS also. So without wasting time,
Let's start the game.
Let's start the game, and by doing the honor I would like to call Mr. Talat sir. Sir, please come and start the game. Thank you. Which shape it is, sir?
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
So remember, you have to put only one leg in the box. May I roll it?
Semicircle. It is there.
Yeah.
Semicircle.
Very good. Now we are rolling the dice. Which shape it
Rectangle. This is rectangle.
is? Rectangle. Now
Can you-
where's the spelling?
Yes, please notice the spelling of rectangle.
There it is.
Can you spell it?
RECTANGLE.
Very good. Rectangle. Please jump on this box, ma'am.
This is rectangle.
Very good.
Oh,
Now,
triangle.
This is
So
triangle.
this is triangle.
Can you tell me something about triangle?
Yes, the triangle has three sides.
3 sides.
This
And
is
how
triangle.
many corner does it have?
Three sides.
Three
Three
sides.
corners.
Three corners.
Three
Very
corners,
good.
three sides.
Very good.
Where's the spelling of triangle?
Triangle, TRIANGLE.
Yes,
Triangle.
jump on it. Very
This
good.
is triangle.
Which
And
shape it is?
yes.
circle.
It's
So
a
which
circle.
object looks like circle?
Ball.
Jump on the ball.
I cannot jump from here.
Okay, you can come.
This is circle. This is ball.
Yes, this is ball. Which
Can
is
you
a 3D
tell
figure.
me the difference between a ball and a circle?
This is three. This is not 3D.
Yes.
This is 2D. And this ball is 3D.